And ma'am, as dentist, like I majority right now, the age of getting married and all is little different from what was there 20 or 30 years back. So
Yeah.
that's why I think majority of the associates also which joins you, they get married and then they shift. But a
Yeah.
lot of people ask me this question, ma'am. What is your thought on it, ma'am? That whether we should open the clinic before
Mm.
getting married or after getting married, because many a time we shift our places, shift our the where we are staying from so long, and so in that dilemma, we don't open the clinic till we get married, but we get married at a later
Mm.
age, so we are losing so many years of our life. What do you think, ma'am?
See, it is a multifaceted thing. It is
Hmm.
like, see, suppose you have monetary help from your parents, or you can open the clinic twice. You are psychologically and physically fit to open the clinic twice. Like if you open a clinic, and whether you are confident enough, like whether you have done
Hmm.
enough number of patients to open a clinic before getting married. Marriage is a
Hmm.
second. You keep it aside. Whether you
Okay.
are confident enough to open the clinic before, once you complete your dentistry. Suppose
Hmm.
that you become a dentist at the age of 23, and you plan to get married maybe at the age of 27 or 28.
Hmm.
But by the time you gain confidence in running your
Hmm.
own clinic, you become 25, 26. Then do you want to open a clinic just for a year? But
Hmm.
suppose you are having a love marriage. I mean, you are having a love marriage, and you know where you are going later on, or if you are
Hmm.
in the same city. Like
Hmm. Hmm.
suppose
Hmm.
somebody to whom you are going to get married to also lives in the same city
Hmm.
where
Hmm.
your parents are also staying, then you can open the clinic. That is,
Hmm.
so
Hmm.
marriage is a secondary thing.
Hmm.
Whether
Hmm.
you're confident enough is one thing, whether you have monetary support is second thing, because nobody will earn money in a day one this thing.
Hmm.
Like
Hmm.
suppose you start practicing today, you will not get profit from the practice from day one.
Yes.
So whether your family will be able to support you for all that, so
हाँ.
many questions. So you think before starting a clinic. Don't start like just because my friend is starting, I'll also start. शादी करने का
Hmm.
क्या बात है क्यों खोलने का? I will give open
हाँ.
my clinic anytime. Think
Hmm.
before doing anything. There are so
Okay.
many things when to before starting. Like suppose you have your own place, then it is a
हाँ.
different thing. If it is a rented place,
Yes.
if you take it for a rent for 3 years, then 3 years you are stuck
Hmm.
up there.
Hmm. Hmm.
So
Hmm.
think
Correct.
about all that and then open a clinic, whether you are married
Hmm.
or not married. But
Hmm.
once you get married, don't wait.
Hmm.
Open your clinic as early as possible because you know
हाँ.
where you are going to be, how
हाँ.
it is going to be, and how the city is, and then don't waste time.
हाँ.
And by
हाँ.
the time you get married, if you are 27, 28, you already have an experience of 4, 5 years.
Yes.
Then
Yes.
you should start practicing as early as possible.
Hmm.
Because
Hmm.
once that sabbatical, if it is very long, it becomes very
Hmm.
difficult for you to start all over again. So don't
Yes.
keep that break for long. Because
Hmm. Hmm.
I don't want to blame anybody in all this, but your in-laws, the family, new family also get used to you being at home.
हाँ. हाँ. Actually.
So you are taken for granted for so many things. So
Yes. Yes.
you start your clinic as early as possible or start working as early as possible, so
Hmm.
that it is your mind also and it's their mind also.
Hmm.
It's what is seasoned in such a manner that yes, you are a working woman, and this is very
Hmm.
important for
Yes.
you
Yes.
also to go into that mode, because normally we are very lazy. Human beings are very lazy.
Yeah.
So once you get
आदत होगी तो
to
गए.
be in that relaxed environment should not be there. फिर अभी मैं क्या
हाँ.
प्रैक्टिस करके अभी मैं नाउ आई एम प्रेग्नेंट, फिर बच्चा होएगा, फिर दूसरा बच्चा होएगा,
हाँ.
जाने दे बाद में, एंड देन इट बिकम्स अ बिग प्रॉब्लम.
That बाद में
One
doesn't
more,
come, ma'am.
one more thing is, as I said previously, you become a new trendsetter. Why you
Hmm.
want to get married at later age, and why not at the age of 25? In
Okay.
2 years, what is going to change in your life? This is a question for unmarried newly passed out dentist.
And I think you have asked us these questions also, ma'am, when we were in clinic. We used to give this reason, and you used
This
to
is
ask us that what is there? Why are you waiting? Yes, yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
so think,
Uh,
because see, the many it is Indian, not Indian. It is every woman's life that they have to go to some other place after getting married.
hmm.
So, if you get married only at the age of 30, I say, then when will you settle in your life?
Hmm. Hmm.
And this is a bitter truth that yes, you don't settle till you get married, unless and until you have decided not to only get married in your life. Then it's a totally different scenario. But if you are planning to get married sometime in your life, then till then it is very difficult for you to settle down at one place or be ready to change. Like, yes, मैं शादी के पहले इधर practice करूंगी, शादी के बाद वहां करूंगी. Then
Be
two
open to
clinics,
change.
two
Yeah,
different
two
places,
clinics.
waiting period twice, waiting
Mm-hmm.
period also twice.
Yes, yes, yes. Right, right, right. Right, ma'am.
So you
Ma'am,
should
so
be psychologically prepared for all that.